Quick question. You use technology every single day, but if someone asked you what cloud computing, AI, or cybersecurity really means, could you explain it? Most people can't. And that's the problem. Because technology isn't magic. It's not just for programmers. And it's definitely not too complicated. In the next few minutes, I'm breaking down technology in A to Z. One word, one clear explanation. By the time we get to Z, you'll finally understand the digital world you live in. Artificial intelligence is when machines are trained to think, learn, and make decisions like humans, using data instead of emotions. Bandwidth is how much data can move through a network at once. More bandwidth means faster internet. Cloud computing means storing data and running software on the internet instead of on your personal computer. Data is raw information, text, numbers, images that computers store, process, and analyze. Encryption scrambles data so only authorized people can read it. It keeps information safe. A firewall protects networks by blocking unauthorized access and allowing trusted traffic. A GPU handles graphics and heavy calculations, especially important for AI and gaming. Hardware is the physical part of a computer: keyboard, screen, hard drive, and chips. The internet is a global network that connects computers and allows information to travel worldwide. JavaScript is a programming language that makes websites interactive dynamic. A keyboard is an input device used to send commands and text into a computer. A LAN connects devices within a small area like a home, office, or school. Malware is harmful software designed to steal data, spy, or damage systems, like this bug attacking a system. A network is a group of connected devices that share data and resources. An operating system controls hardware and lets users interact with the computer. Programming is writing instructions that tell computers what to do. A query is a request for data, usually sent to a database or search engine. A router directs internet traffic between devices and networks. A server is a powerful computer that stores data and provides services to other computers. Technology is the use of tools and systems to solve problems and improve life. UI is what users see and interact with: buttons, screens, and menus. A computer virus is malicious software that spreads and damages systems. Wi-Fi allows devices to connect to the internet wirelessly. XML is a format used to store and transport data between systems. YouTube is a video sharing platform powered by cloud computing and data streaming. Zero trust means never trusting any user or device automatically. Everything must be verified. Kindly subscribe, like, and share to get more updates.